చేసేదా ఓకే సార్ చేస్తున్నా. Very pleasant morning to all, ma. Our respected AGO sir Rajendra Kumar Reddy sir garu, good morning sir. Our convener sir Somsekhar sir garu, good morning sir. My dear students, once again good morning to all. Next, the third chapter is the circulatory system. See, in previous topics, we learned about the following topics: internal structure of the heart, the blood vessels and circulation, Harvey's experiment, Malpighi blood vessels. These are all topics discussed with in previous class. Today, I am going to teach about the new topics. Okay. Characters of the arteries and veins, cardiac cycle functions, different animals' heartbeat rate, lymphatic system. These are all today we are discuss about this in this class, ma. Okay. I am going to first slide. What is the main characteristics of the arteries and veins? We know what are the arteries and veins, ma. Arteries and veins also one kind of blood vessels. We know already blood vessels are three kinds are there: arteries and veins and capillaries. In this slide, what is the main characters of the arteries and veins also in given the information by the William Harvey. Through the after experimentally through the information, the characters of the arteries and veins also given by the William Harvey, the greatest scientist. Okay, I will give the explanation of the what is the characters of the arteries and veins. We see the first one is arteries, the blood, the pure and oxygenated blood rich in nutrients are carried by the arteries. We know arteries also it carry the blood, oxygenated blood only it carry through the all parts of the body. Already we discussed about in previous classes also. Same like that, the blood, the veins also it carry the impure and deoxygenated blood rich in waste materials is carried by the veins. Veins also it carry the deoxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood it collects from the all parts of the body through the heart. This is the main difference between the arteries and veins. Arteries it carry the oxygenated blood and through the all parts of the body. Veins it carry the deoxygenated blood, it collects from the all parts of the body through the heart. This is the main difference between the arteries and veins. What is the flow of the blood? Okay, ma'am. Next, what is the internal walls of arteries and veins? What is the difference between the walls in arteries and veins? Okay. Arteries walls are rigid, thicker and highly muscular. Arteries walls inside thicker and highly muscular. Same like that, veins walls are inside thin and collapsible walls. Very thin and collapsible walls. ఒకసారి దానిపై అది కానీ దాని చాలా పలుచగా ఉంటుంది, తెగిపోవడానికి కూడా అది బ్రేక్ అవడానికి కూడా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. That is collapsible walls. Okay, this is the main characters of the arteries and veins. What is the main difference between the arteries and veins, ma? This is all given by the information of the William Harvey, Malpighi. This the greatest scientists also given by these informations, ma. Next, what is the body location? Where located from the arteries and vein? Okay, the artery is located deeply situated within the body. Deeply situated in the arteries. Veins also superficial and that means peripheral, located closer than the skin. Closer than skin. ఇది స్కిన్ కి దగ్గరగా ఉంటుంది, ఇది లోపలంతా కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఆర్టరీస్ అనేది లోపల భాగంలో అన్నిట్లోనూ ఉంటుంది, ఎక్కువగా స్కిన్ దగ్గర ఉండేది మాత్రం వెయిన్స్ అని. That is the main difference between the arteries and veins. The body located, that means where is the located from the arteries within the deeply situated within the body, and the veins also closer than the skin. Veins also located from the body location is there in the closer than the skin. Okay. Next, what is the color? What is the arteries and what is the veins, or which color is there? We know arteries are in red in color. Arteries also red in color, and the veins also it indicates blue in color. Already in previous classes also so many pictures we see. What is the red in color indicates artery. Why? Because the arteries carry the oxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood is color indicate red in color. The blood color is red in color. Okay, ma, can you able to understand? Okay, the veins also it indicate to blue in color. That why? Because the veins also it carry the deoxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood it indicates the color blue in color. Red in color is oxygenated blood. The red in color it has one pigment is it. The pigment is called hemoglobin. One iron pigment is there. It's called that shows the red in color. Okay, ma'am. Next, the direction of the blood flow. How to direction of the blood flow to the arteries and veins? You see, the arteries carry blood away from the heart to various parts of the body. The arteries carry the blood away from the heart to various parts of the body. Heart నుంచి మిగతా అన్ని శరీర భాగాలకు రక్తాన్ని సరఫరా చేస్తుంది. The arteries main functioning. Next, the veins also carry blood from the various parts of the body towards the heart. Veins also carry blood from the various parts of the body towards the heart. అంటే మీ శరీర భాగాల్లోని రక్తాన్ని సేకరించి హృదయానికి సరఫరా చేస్తుంది. That is the mainly differ from the arteries and veins. Very important point, and keep in our minds also. Okay. Next, what is the flow of pressure? In this arteries, the pressure is very high, as the blood flow by the pumping pressure of heart. హృదయం నుంచి రక్తాన్ని వివిధ శరీర భాగాలకు తీసుకుని క్యారీ చేసేటప్పుడు that means the pressure also very high. That means the pressure it shows the high pressure. Same like that, the veins that time the pressure is very low. The blood flows by the capillary action in the veins. అంటే ఇక్కడ capillaries లో veins లో deoxygenated blood ని తీసుకుని వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు the pressure is very low. Arteries that time, the artery carry the blood, that time the pressure is high. Veins carry the blood through the heart, that time the veins also it show the pressure is low. Okay, ma, what is the difference? We know what is the difference between the pressure in the arteries and veins. Can you able to understand, ma?
Okay, madam.
Okay, what is the main level of oxygen, ma? Already the blood has the oxygen is there. The oxygen including the oxyhemoglobin. That's why it say the oxygenated blood. Okay, the oxygen levels are quite high in the arteries and blood. The oxygen level is very high in arteries. Why? The arteries carry the oxygenated blood. That's why the oxygen level also high. Same, the veins also carry the blood. The oxygen level is very low compared to arteries. Compared to arteries, the veins also the oxygen level is very low. That's why the veins also carry the deoxygenated, but less level of the oxygen is there only. Okay, ma, can you able to what is the characteristics of the arteries and veins? These are all information given by the William Harvey, the greatest scientist, introduced by this in the blood vessels, ma. We know already blood vessels are there. The blood vessels worked on the what is the types of the blood vessels, what is the functioning, what is the during the activities. These are all information given by the William Harvey or Malpighi, Marcello Malpighi. Okay, ma, can you able to understand in this slide?
Okay, madam.
Shall I move to next slide, ma? Okay, this is very important topic, ma. Cardiac cycle, ma. This every step is every stages also it show the one cycling process. The heart is only one in our body. That means all living organisms has a heart. Heart is a main organ of the body. All living organisms. Main organ, ma. That's why this is also one cycling process. What the stages are there? So many stages are there. Each one stages it during the activities functioning of the heart. The functioning of the heart, every stage of the activity, it gives the some process of the cycling, that is cardiac cycle. Okay, ma, in this picture show the cardiac cycle, ma. Okay, shall I move to next slide? What is the main functions of the cardiac cycle? What is the main? What is there in the cardiac cycle? We know the events of one complete heartbeat. We know what is like that. What is the heartbeat? Heartbeat is one completion of diastole, one completion of systole. That means systole means contraction, diastole means relaxation. The heart covered cardiac muscle, the muscle once relaxation and once contraction is called as completion of the one heartbeat. The relaxation it say the diastole, contraction it say like the systole. This is all one systole, one diastole is completion is called as one heartbeat. This is called is say like that the cardiac cycle. This is the one cycling process, non-stopping. It through the one continuous process, ma. The continuously the cycling process and relaxation and contraction. These are all the systole and diastole. The heartbeat is non-stopping. That means per a minute, how much of the heartbeats in our body, ma? How much rate of the heartbeat is there? 72 times
72,
of
madam.
per minute
72.
if the heartbeat is there, ma. This is next term. We know how many chambers are there in our heart?
Yes,
Four
madam.
chambers are there.
Chambers, madam.
We know two left and right arteries and two and the left and right ventricles. These are all four chambers. The four chambers it act the what some arteries it play the once relaxation, arteries it play the once contraction. Same like that. The ventricles also once it play the contraction, once it play the relaxation. Both them interconnection, ma. Once artery relaxation, that time the ventricle is contraction. The ventricles is take the relaxation and arteries it take the contraction. This is interconnection between the arteries and veins. Both same in functioning, not there, ma. Why? Because only the one-way direction. The one-way direction in the pumping to the heart. That's why arteries and ventricles also it functioning of. That means once arteries it pumping the blood in once, that time the arteries also once contraction, that time ventricles also relaxation. Ventricles also it contraction, arteries also relaxation. It take the interconnection between the arteries and ventricles. Arteries and ventricles also chambers. The chambers inside also four walls are there. We know tricuspid, bicuspid, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, aorta and pulmonary artery. These are all four types of the walls inside of the arteries and ventricles. That means chambers and ventricle also అంటే ఇక్కడ arteries and ventricles అనేది ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇన్సైడ్ ఉన్న వాల్స్ ను కూడా రెండు కూడా అది ఇంటర్ కనెక్షన్ అయ్యి అక్కడ హార్ట్ బీట్ కంప్లీషన్ అవడానికి ఇక్కడ హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. We know one heartbeat completion it take the time of 0.8 seconds ma. One heartbeat complete of this take the time of 0.8 seconds. Per minute 60 seconds are there ma. Per minute the cardiac cycle is completed around the maximum of 50 to 80. 50 to 80 cardiac cycle is completion of the per minute. That's why we know the 72 to 76 or 80 below. That is range of the heartbeat in human beings only. Okay, ma, can you able to understand what is the arteries and what is the ventricles? It take the place of in our heart. Can you able to understand? Moshmita, unmute yourself, ma. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
arteria contract simultaneously. That means
మేడం వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది మేడం.
వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుందా?
No,
Okay,
madam.
No? Okay, ma. Just the arteries contract simultaneously. That means we know arteries one.
మేడం వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది మేడం.
Ma, na voice clear ga undi. My voice is audible ma, all of you. Raviteja.
Clear, madam.
Audible, madam.
Okay, ma. Who is the disturbance for Bhavya? You know.
రావట్లేదు మేడం.
ఎట్టున్న చోటికి వెళ్ళండి మా. నా వాయిస్ క్లియర్ గానే ఉంది. మై వాయిస్ ఇస్ క్లియర్ మా.
Clear, madam.
మీ నెట్ ఉన్న చోటికి వెళ్ళండి.
Clear, madam.
Okay, ma. Thank you. Okay, ma. See, arteries and artery, that means arterias and ventricles also, the chambers, it adds the play of completion. It helps to the completion of the heartbeat, ma. Okay. Once arteries relaxation, ma. That time the ventricle also contraction. Once the ventricles also contraction, the arteries also relaxation. ఇక్కడ arteries relaxation అయినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ventricles ఏమవుతుంది? Contraction అవుతుంది. Contraction means దగ్గరికి చేసుకోండి. Relaxation means విడిపోవడం. That means arteries also once it take the contraction, the ventricles also relaxation it take it. And once ventricles also contraction, arteries also relaxation. That means interconnection, ma. That is completion of the one heartbeat also. Okay. See, the systole is called as contraction. Already we know systole is contraction. Lub, lub, lub. That give the sound in our here also. The sound it produces to lub, lub, lub. It is called as contraction. That means the sound is give to the systole. Okay. The systole usually the refers to ventricle contraction unless otherwise noted. The ventricles also contraction that time. The sound it here with the produce of the sounds also lub, lub, lub. Okay. Next, diastole that means relaxation. The relaxation that time the usually the refers the ventricles also relaxation. Dub, dub, dub. Okay. The ventricle also relaxation. That means unless otherwise noted. We know ventricles also once contraction. That time it completion of the systole. The ventricles also once relaxation it take them. That is completion of the diastole. This overall it say the one systole and one diastole is completion of the one heartbeat. This is the main cardiac cycle, ma. This is the main functioning of the cardiac cycle, ma. Can you able to understand, ma?
Yes, madam.
Okay. I shared one video, ma. Please watch this video. After I give the explanation of cardiac cycle. Our heart is an important component of cardiovascular system.
మేడం మీ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది మేడం, ఏమి వినిపించట్లేదు.
Yes, pressure. What, ma? Moshmita, Video are visible, ma?
Yes, madam.
Raviteja,
వాయిస్ వినపడదు మేడం.
ఎస్ మేడం.
మా వాయిస్
Your voice
వినిపించట్లేదా?
is audible, madam.
క్లియర్ గా వినబడుతుంది మేడం.
Video voice, ma? Video voice also are visible are here, that means audible, ma?
Audible.
మేడం.
Okay, ma. Listen and in this video, that means watch this video very clear and this what is the cardiac cycle inside of the body. Okay, ma. Don't disturb and please quiet and I share the video. Please watch this video, ma. This is the cardiac cycle. We know moves the blood to every cell in our body. Now let's see what is cardiac cycle. The sequence of events in a single heartbeat is known as cardiac cycle. This cycle involves the systole or contraction and diastole or relaxation of atria and ventricles. Look at this figure. In this, you can make out that all the four chambers of heart are in relaxed stage. That is, joint diastole stage. Now you will observe here that bicuspid and the tricuspid valves are open. So what will happen? Tricuspid and tricuspid valves also, which valves, ma? H3, H2 ventricle valves, ma. The blood will flow from the pulmonary vein and vena cava to left and right atrium respectively. Right? Now, the arterial systole is initiated when SA node sends out an electric signal. During arterial systole, the arteria undergoes a continuous contraction which forcefully passes the blood into the ventricles through tricuspid and the bicuspid valves. Ventricular systole begins when ventricles are filled with blood. The AV node, as shown here, takes in the signal and then conducts it throughout the ventricles. This stimulates the ventricular contraction, and as the ventricular contraction increases, the ventricular pressure causes the closure of AV valves. So this continuous contraction causes a further increase in ventricular pressure. What will happen because of this? It will open the semilunar valves and the blood flows into the pulmonary artery and the aorta. Now this closing of AV valves here results in producing the first heart sound, lung. Now observe here that ventricles are in relaxed state now. During ventricular diastole, the ventricles relax, arterial pressure falls, and blood begins to flow back into the ventricles. This reversal of pressure causes the semilunar valves to shut, producing the second heart sound, da. So now you know what produces the sound da. Meanwhile, the atria have been filling with the blood, and as the ventricles relax, blood flows from the atria into the ventricles, forcing the AV valves to open again. Okay, ma, can you able to understand the video, ma?
Yes, madam.
Okay. What is the stages of the cardiac cycle? Cardiac cycle, that means completion of the heartbeat. Completion of the one systole and one diastole is called as heartbeat. The heartbeat is completion. The cycle is start. That means the cardiac cycle is completed. Okay. The completion of the cardiac cycle, it says some stages. Different phases are there. Different stages are there. What is the stages in this cardiac cycle? See, already I shared video also. Just like I give you some explanation of the what is the stages of the cardiac cycle. Okay. The first of all, we just like keep in your mind. Already, heart has a 4 chambers. The heart 4 chambers are 2 or left and right arteries and left and right ventricles. Left and right arteries also once take the relaxation, that time ventricles also take the contraction. That is one arteries take the relaxation, once it takes the ventricles also Contraction is completion of the one heartbeat. Can you able to understand, ma? Same
Yes,
like
ma'am.
that. Ventricle also take the contraction. Arteries also take the relaxation. This is also completion of the one heartbeat. That is the cyclic process in the continuously arteries and ventricles. Arteries and ventricles. That means one by one, it is called interconnection heartbeat. The completion of the heartbeat is called, as it said, the cardiac cycle. Already, the chambers internal, it has a walls also is there. Already, 4 chambers are there in our heart. Inside the 4 chambers, it has a 4 walls are there. Tricuspid, bicuspid, aorta, and pulmonary artery. These walls also, it helps the contraction relaxation. Can you able to understand? That is also arterial diastole. What is the arterial diastole means? In this time, the arteries also take the relaxation. Okay. This when the aortic valve and pulmonary arteries closes and atrioventricular valve is open. Atrioventricular valves are tricuspid and bicuspid valves. The tricuspid, bicuspid valves also open, and the arteries also it take the one diastole. That means arteries it take the diastole. That time the ventricles also take the systole. Then the arterial it take the systole. The ventricle also it take the diastole. Since the flows, the 4 walls also, every time the arteries and ventricles also, it flow the blood one way direction, but 2 walls it open, and another 2 walls, relaxation that time, open the 2 walls. Same that contraction that time also, it take the open to the 2 walls. That's why the diastole and systole, it completion of the heartbeat. The heartbeat totally, it has, say like that, the cardiac cycle. See, the atrial systole in this stage, this is also chambers of the heart. That is when the aortic valve and pulmonary arteries closes. These are semilunar valves. And the atrioventricular valves are open, thus causing the chambers of the heart to relax, take the relaxation. Same, these arteries also take the place of systole. In this in this stage, the blood will flow from the arterium to ventricle. At the arterium, it takes place of contraction. Arterium will take the place of contraction. This is the stage by stage. But this stages also it take the cardiac cycle. Okay. Next, what is the isovalmic contraction? That means valmic ఒక్కసారి అది కాన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అయినప్పుడు అదేమవుతుంది, దాని యొక్క సైజ్ లో కూడా చేంజెస్ వస్తుంది. అది ఒకసారి రిలాక్సేషన్ అయినప్పుడు కూడా దాని సైజ్ లో చేంజెస్ ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ టేక్ ద వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ద కాన్స్ట్రాక్షన్ అండ్ రిలాక్సేషన్. Different values are there. In this stage also, ventricles began to contract. That the atrioventricular walls and pulmonary artery walls is closed. That means once the 2 walls are closed and the 2 walls open, that time it will take the place of contraction. But there won't be any the transformation of in volume also. This also ventricle take the contraction and already arteries also take the relaxation. Take the arteries, take the contraction, the ventricles also take the relaxation. Both are interconnection, that is completion of the one heartbeat is called as the say to the cardiac cycle. Okay. Shall I move to next slide, ma? This is another stage of ventricular ejection. What is the ventricular ejection? That means here the ventricles contract and empty. Pulmonary artery and aortic valves also closed. And the 2 walls are closed, ma. Remaining two walls are opened.
Opened.
Once contract the arteries, once contraction of the ventricles, once it relaxation the arteries, and once relaxation to the ventricles. The four chambers it play the act from the through the completion of the heartbeat. Okay, this is very difficult topic, ma. Next, isovolmic relaxation. Already it say the in previous slide also it say the what is in isovolmic contraction. In this slide it say the isovolmic relaxation. Relaxation that time no blood entered the ventricles. See, contraction that time the blood also flow to them, and relaxation that time no blood entered to the ventricle, and consequently the pressure decreases. Ventricles stop contracting and begin to the relax. ఎప్పుడైతే వెంట్రికల్స్ రక్త ప్రసరణ కాదో అప్పుడు అది ఏం చేస్తుంది, టేక్ ప్లేస్ ద రిలాక్సేషన్. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆర్టరీస్ లో బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో అవుతుందో అది కాన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అవుతుంది. ఎక్కడైతే బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో అయ్యేటప్పుడు కాన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అయ్యి బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో కానప్పుడు అది రిలాక్సేషన్ తీసుకుంటుంది. ఎప్పుడైతే వెంట్రికల్స్ నుంచి ఆర్టరీస్ కి, ఆర్టరీస్ నుంచి వెంట్రికల్స్ కి ఇలా వెళ్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒకటి రిలాక్సేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు అక్కడ బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో కాదు. కాన్స్ట్రక్షన్ దట్ టైం మాత్రమే బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో చూపిస్తుంది. ఫ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ప్రెజర్ హై ఉంటుంది. ఆ ప్రెజర్ హై ఉన్నప్పుడు అక్కడ సిస్టోల్ డయాస్టోల్ రెండు కూడా కంప్లీషన్ అయిపోయి ఒక హార్ట్ బీట్ కంప్లీషన్ అవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ ప్రాసెస్ మనం అంతా కూడా కార్డియాక్ సైకిల్ అని చెప్తాం. ఓకే మా, కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ మా?
ఓకే మేడం.
Okay. The ventricular filling stage also. In this stage, the blood flow from arteria into the ventricles. It is altogether known as one stage. After there are three phases that involve the flow blood to the pulmonary artery from ventricles. We know pulmonary artery it take carry from the deoxygenated blood. The deoxygenated through the ventricles also. That means every the four chambers and four walls also it helps the through the blood changes of them. That means one completion of the contraction relaxation, contraction relaxation, contraction relaxation, lub dub, contraction lub, relaxation dub. That means completion of the heartbeats overall is called as cardiac cycle. This is non-stopping. The process is continually through all the life to the everyone, all living organisms take the how much of the lifespan. The heartbeats also it continue process through the all living organisms also. We know. Can you able to understand, ma? Shall I move to next slide?
Yes, madam.
Okay, ma. See, ma, different kinds of the animal. Sir.
Madam, remaining 5 minutes, madam. Time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Ma, different types of the animals are there, ma. You see in our surroundings also different kinds of the animals are there. All living organisms, all kinds of the animals, not in the same heartbeat rate, ma. So much of the differs are there. Okay. See, all of the in our surroundings, so many animals are there, so many living organisms are there, including human beings also. Compare the heartbeat rate is differ. Okay. See in this slide, I give some examples of the what is the heartbeat rate in differ in the all living organisms. We see, ma'am, blue whale. This is one animal. It is biggest animal in the world. Biggest animal is blue whale. The blue whale weight is around 1,50,000 kgs weight, ma'am. The heart weight also 750 kgs. The blue whale per minute, the heartbeat rate is only 7. How much, ma'am?
7.
7. The blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. Next, elephant. Elephant also one of the biggest animal. The elephant all weight is also 3,000 kgs, and the heart weight is also 12 to 21 kgs, ma'am. The elephant heartbeat rate is 46 per minute. ఒక నిమిషానికి 30 సార్లు మాత్రమే కొట్టుకుంటుంది. Next, man is one kind of human being. The human beings also around the weight is 60 to 70 kg. The heart weight is 300 grams only. The per minute, how much of the heartbeat rate is there? 76, 72 to 80 below. Okay. Next, birds. Birds also very smallest animals in the world. The birds also the weight is 8 grams only. The heart weight is only 0.15, 15, only 0.15 grams is there. In these birds also, the heartbeat is very highest. How much of heartbeat is there? 1200. 1200 heartbeats per minute. It's highest heartbeat rate. Can you able to understand in this slide? The heartbeat rate is very different. Differ also heartbeat rate is there. All living organisms has one of the important organ of the heart. Heart is it shows the heartbeat, but it's a cardiac cycle. There must be during the activities also. So the in our surroundings, different kinds of the animal, different kinds of the living organisms are there. In comparatively, each one also, the heart rate is different. Okay, can you able to understand in this slide?
Okay, madam.
Any doubts are there, ma?
No, madam.
Sir, time అయిపోయిందా సార్? సార్ టైం అయిపోయిందా? See, what is the important topic is single and double circulation. Circulation means the blood flow. The blood carry through the all parts of the body.
Madam, ఇంకా 2 minutes ఉంది madam.
10 minutes ఉంది మేడం.
It is called say the circulation. We know different animals is there already in previous class also. Some animals it has a 2 chambers, some animals it has a 3 chambers, some animals it has a 4 chambers. For examples are there. Some aquatic animals also take the chambers of only 2 chambers. For example, fishes, reptiles, amphibians. These are all kinds of the 3 chambers. The heart it has a 3 chambers. And birds and mammals, the human beings, these are also heart as a 4 chambers. It has different from the single circulation and double circulation through the all parts of the body. The blood circulation is very different. Single circulation means only one direction. See, the blood passes through the heart once during one complete circuit of the body. Only once during complete circuit of the body is called a single circulation. It has only the blood passes through the heart twice during the one complete circuit of the body is called as double circulation. The circulation twice during one complete circuit of the body is called as double circulation. Only once during the one complete circuit of the body it is called say the single circulation. ఒక్కవేళ మాత్రమే రక్తం సరఫరా చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి అక్కడ మనం దాన్ని సింగిల్ సర్క్యులేషన్ అంటాం. ఇక్కడ 2 ways లో అంటే హార్ట్ నుంచి త్రూ ఆల్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీకి, ఆల్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ త్రూ హార్ట్ కి, హార్ట్ నుంచి లంగ్స్ కి. These are all in the 2 way. Twice that during the twice, but not in the single direction. Single direction లో ఈ విధంగా ఉండదు. Okay. Next, the single direction blood has a lower pressure. Single direction లో blood pressure very low, very lowest. And double circulation that time the blood pressure also very highest. Okay. Next, the single